sounds of the game.
That's the good stuff. Go Eskies.
Woo! It's game time, baby. It's cold out here, but we're gonna break some sunshine. It ain't that cold, but we're gonna play some ball today, baby.
We stand on God.
Get your ass in the game! I gotta press this side on the other side, bro. You drop off and play the cross. I gotta ride him.
That stunt was there.
We ain't knock a ball now.
32 years of history. Not on our watch.
They done now. You ain't got to be worried about them feet, too. It's done.
So you got to squeeze off of me, force everything to the sideline. Because that's where they're coming. They're coming off of me in between us, too.
Shannon knew it was coming. He knew it was coming, but your man, he bugging. He came in a little with me, my man. But see, I took him up just enough.
Yeah, this is TSN. Yeah!